This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iPhone hotspot not working on iPhone. So if you're trying to turn on your personal hotspot but you see the hotspot icon is grayed out or it's not working, just follow these simple solutions to fix this issue. So first of all, make sure to turn on your cellular or mobile data and make sure to check you have enough data on your SIM, and then check the issue. And the second solution is go to settings, tap on mobile or cellular data, tap on mobile data options and turn off low data mode, tap on back, tap on personal hotspot, and then turn on maximize compatibility and turn off your hotspot, and after that turn it back on. After that, check the issue. And another solution is restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So restart your iPhone and turn on your hotspot again and check the issue. And the last and final solution is reset your hotspot settings. Go to settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix your hotspot not working issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.